Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as I promised in last, I can't remember what video, but I promised I'm gonna make these headlights work, right? So out of the box, the headlights come with these connectors which do not fit in your stock connector, right? So what you're gonna have to do is it's either cut all these wires off and do a hack job and solder and all that, or you can do it like I did in this case. As you can see, this is the harness out of the headlight, right? It comes inside your headlight, so you take that plug and then you take this plug out of here too. So you take those plugs out, cut it, this one to the length like 5 inch, take it out, then this one too, and then this is your main plug that plugs. So you take that one out, those three, which is 3 of these that I already have, right? So it's this one, the green one, the white one, and the main one that I cut. So all you're gonna do is because that way these will actually plug in there, it will work. These green ones, see, it's already plugged in one side, and white one will plug in as well. So what you're gonna do, you just follow the color pattern. You connect green one with the green right there, connect it, and then red one with the red, and then black connect with all blacks. Black is your ground and the rest is just your power. So I'm gonna connect it, and I'm gonna do it the same as I did on this one. I forgot to mention, these are the Spyder ones that I'm talking about. The instruction inside here is, don't even bother. It's just a waste of time. I couldn't find it online, so I actually went to DSM Tuners, and there was a post there as well. But since I haven't seen the video, I decided I'm gonna make it for it and help you guys out. So yeah, I'm gonna put you on a really fast thingy while I'm doing it, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So let's do this. going on? Make sure you cover your light because you're working right there. And let me show you now. Okay. If I would have touched this thing, there it is. They're on. That one is disconnected. But yeah, of course your high beams will work too. So yeah, guys, that's how you do Spyder. Well, sorry, Spyder headlights on the Mitsubishi Eclipse 99, 98, 97, 95, 96, all them models. And don't throw your old headlights because you're gonna need that harness, or you can splice these wires and cut them. That way you can make your own connectors if you wish and all that. But anyway, that will be it for now, guys. Of course, thanks for watching. Make sure you like it, share, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.